We are pleased to show you the 2017 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat-loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, child safety locks, power windows, power door locks, trip computer, security system, CD player. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.